So in today's short video, we will be discussing about the types of variable, the main three variable that we usually face in the research process or in the research study. So the first one is independent variable. Independent variable is a variable which we change. The thing that we usually change, or the variable that limit to only one in an experiment. For example, if we are experimenting on a plant and we want to see the effect of liquid used to water each plant, so that liquid will be independent variable because the growth of the plant is dependent on the independent variable or the water. So that will be independent variable. The other variable is called dependent variable, and dependent variable is basically a thing that changes due to the change happened in the independent variable. For example, if we water a plant and the height or health of the plant is getting better with time, so means the height or the health of the plant is dependent, and it is a dependent variable on the independent variable, that is water. So that is called dependent variable. The third variable is called control variable, and control variable is basically everything that we want to remain constant or unchanged. For example, if we do not want to change the type of the plant used, the size of the pot, the amount of the liquid, or the type of soil that we are using to see the growth of the plant in that pot, the type of soil, or the type or size of the plant. So in picture, let's diagrammatically explain it, and that is, if we see three variables, that one is independent variable in which we water the plant, and this water is basically independent. The plant is dependent on this water. The second thing is the dependent variable. For example, the plant is dependent on the water, so the growth of the plant, if we see with time and with the type of the water or the liquid that we are using for checking the growth of the plant, so it's basically dependent on the liquid. That is why it is called dependent variable. And the third one is called control variable, in which we do not want to see any change. So for example, with time, the pot size will be the same, the plant type will be the same, and the soil that we are using to plant will remain the same throughout the process. So this is basically short understanding of the independent, dependent, and control variable. Thank you very much. If you like the video, just share it with your friend. And if you have any question, write it in the comment. Thank you.